बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 29 सितंबर 2024 के अखबार में। जनरल की जॉब है कमर्शियल ऑफिसर वांटेड प्रोफिशिएंट इन इंग्लिश विद टाइपिंग एक्सपीरियंस 30 to 35 वर्ड्स पर WPM qualification minimum graduate master degree preferable good communication skill and maximum age of 30 years required for post of commercial officer. Please send a complete CV along with photograph and covering letter by courier within 15th October 2024 to house number 84/2 street number 30 क़याबान सहर फेस नंबर 6 DHA कराची एंड ईमेल dhc.karachi@mofa.gov.bd। डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर वांटेड प्रोफिशिएंट इन इंग्लिश विद टाइपिंग एक्सपीरियंस 30 to 35 WPM क्वालिफिकेशन मिनिमम ग्रेजुएट मास्टर डिग्री प्रेफरेबल गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एंड मैक्सिमम एज ऑफ 30 years required for post of data entry operator. Please send complete CV along with photograph and covering letter by courier within 15 October 2024 to house number 84/2 street number 30 क़याबान सहर फेस नंबर 6 DHA कराची and email dhc.karachi@mofa.gov.bd। dispatch rider wanted dispatch rider required immediately education qualification minimum graduate and maximum age of 30 years required for post of dispatch rider. Applicant must have driving license, communicative English and knowledge about locations in Karachi. Please send a complete CV along with photograph and covering letter by courier within 15 October 2024 to house number 84/2 street number 30 क़याबान सहर फेस नंबर 6 DHA कराची एंड ईमेल dhc.karachi@mofa.gov.pk dhc.karachi@mofa.gov.bd। Oracle Apex developer. We are looking for a talented and experienced Oracle Apex developer to join our team. The ideal candidate will have 3 to 5 years of experience in developing applications using Oracle Application Express APEX. You will be responsible to coordinate with the ERP developers, follow up the designing, developing, implementation and maintaining robust and scalable Apex applications to meet the business requirements. Number 2, merchandiser looking for FMCG products. Responsibility responsible for follow up of orders from initial till shipment, pre-production, production, post-production status, communicating with buyer on daily basis for their existing order, follow up with buyer for approval and feedback, approval, managing and fulfill samples required and trims sample approval, arrange PP meeting with vendor and HOD/buyer, update inspection, follow up TNA plan, follow with suppliers, review ship dates. Booking should be checked and get approval from HOD/buyer. Experience at least 3-year experience in the field and knowledge of international market. Interested candidates may send their updated resume at gchr2023@gmail.com gcshr2023@gmail.com। Job opportunity agriculturist field supervisor company Maxim Grow location Bahawal Nagar Punjab head office Karachi। Job type full time requirements bachelor's degree in agriculture or relevant field, comprehensive knowledge of plants, pests and their diseases. Fresh graduates are also encouraged to apply. Job responsibilities: manage agricultural operations and projects, conduct field visits to monitor crop health and provide expert advice, develop and implement effective crop management strategies. How to apply? Interested candidates can send their resumes to hr@maximgroup.pk and admin@maximgroup.pk. Join our team and contribute to Pakistan's agricultural growth. Job position available for female individuals by a leading nutrition company in Pakistan. School project candidate should ideally having prior experience in marketing. School nutritionist for the post of health educator in Karachi. Candidate should meet the following criteria: qualification minimum bachelor degree, marital status married, competency confident, well versed in English and Urdu, presentation skills preferably on conveyance. Send your detailed CV at hr194@outlook.com and WhatsApp number 0324 046 4920 0324 046 4920. Are reputed org required hardworking, energetic and passionate individual. Sales executive male and telemarketing female. Good communication skill. Have sales experience. Graduate. 0314013296 0314013296 and 0345 8525 03458525 Paramount Books is hiring a digital department manager / consultant for online educational programs. The role involves managing sales cycles, client relationships, and digital marketing strategies. Candidates with experience in SEO, SEM, and digital trends are preferred. Strong project management and leadership skills are essential. Apply hr@paramountbooks.com.pk. hr@paramountbooks.com.pk. Polypropylene industry in hub urgently requires foreman with team for circular loom. Minimum experience 3 to 5 years. Interview 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Interview address 36cc for cat. Third floor, Shahbaz Commercial Lane 4, DHA Phase 6, 0300 372 7038 0300 372 7038. Required transport coordinator 3 to 5 years of relevant experience. Email cv@hopekarachi gmo@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 021 322 39930 021 322 39930 and 021 322 3889 021 322 3889. Wanted female MBA office assistant job. Send CV with recent photo. WhatsApp 0300 895 6883 0300 895 6883. jobs5013@gmail.com jobs5013@gmail.com. Wanted female telephone operator job. Send CV with recent photo. WhatsApp 0300 895 6883 0300 895 6883. jobs5013@gmail.com. We are looking for a skilled and experienced data analyst responsible for collecting, processing, and analyzing the company's data to support business decisions and strategic planning. The position requires using various data analyst tools and techniques to provide actionable insights that help improve the company's operational efficiency and profitability. The position must have 2 years of experience in the relevant field. Workplace in Landhe industrial area. Email partjob2024@gmail.com partjob2024@gmail.com. अच्छा जी, मेडिकल की जॉब्स आई थी. अली मेडिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स वैकेंसीज RMOs required in morning shift and night shift. Kindly send your CV at alimedical262@gmail.com or WhatsApp on 032834914336 032834914336. Application required for clinical pharmacist Form D, having at least 3 years experience in a reputable hospital. Housekeeping supervisor graduate having at least 3 years experience in a reputable hospital, deputy in Matron, BSc Nursing, having at least 3 years experience in a reputable hospital. Kharadar General Hospital is a tertiary care and postgraduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, Kharadar. Phone number 325101132116. Phone number 325101132116, extension 173. Email kgh.hospital@gmail.com. Last date for submission of application is October 14th, 2024. Ashfaq Memorial requires marketing executive, female, experienced of at least 3 years. Phone number 348 222 348 222 Email info@ashfaqmemorialhospital@gmail.com and info@amh.com.pk. Dental surgeon and general practitioner GP required. Endodontics operative, prosthodontist. Gulshan Iqbal, Karachi. WhatsApp 033121211729 033121211729. Email info@wdh.com.pk info@wdh.com.pk. Dental surgeon required for a dental clinic in Model Colony, Karachi. Male/female candidate may contact 033123956559 033123956559/0300236886 0300236886. Dental surgeon required with at least years experience in Clifton. Contact Dr. Anthony HU. Phone number 0302 2231848 0302 2231848. Dr. Tausif Amin's medical course for USMLE, HAAD, DHA, MOH, MCCEE, AMC, FCPS, MRCP 032282711518 032282711518. Need a doctor for a pediatric private clinic in Clifton for Sundays. Please email your short CV at sgpediatrics100@gmail.com. Pediatrician. Experience of Part 2 training of FCPS Pediatrics RMO. Fresh medical graduate with experience of 1 year. Job requires extensive travel in Karachi and Interior Sindh. Medical rep required for promotion of welfare project that involves visiting different hospitals and medical personnel in Karachi. The candidate must have his own motorcycle. Doctor of physiotherapy required for welfare project that involves traveling in Karachi and Interior Sindh. Please send updated CV ma.qidwai15@gmail.com. ma.qidwai15@gmail.com. Required a well-reputed hospital operated in Karachi. Needs senior assistant admin officer with minimum 2 years experience in similar position. Please send your CV to Medical Superintendent, Maiman Hospital, Buns Road, off Robson Road, Karachi. Telephone number 02132638615216 02132638615216 and 3263104 required pharmacist for a charitable hospital. Email cv@hopekarachi.gmo@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930 and 021322438889 021322438889. Required staff nurse (bracket में लिखा हुआ है मेल at a hospital located in Guru Mandir. Email cv@hopekarachi.gmo@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930 and 021322438889 021322438889. The Lady Dufferin Hospital, one of the largest women's hospitals of Pakistan, having 300 beds and specializes in obstetric, gynecological, and neonatal pediatric services. We are looking for the following positions: neonatology, neonatologist FCPS with minimum 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in a reputable hospital, senior medical officer, pediatrics, completed residency training of MCPS/FCPS pediatrics with good exposure of neonatal services, and NRP is preferred. Duty is alternate night shift. Finance executive, bachelor's degree in accounting/finance with 5 years of experience in accounts payable, payroll, tax regulations, etc. with ERP exposure. Please share CV at careers@ladydufferinhospital.org and mark the position in subject title of email. अच्छा जी, सेल्स की जॉब है. वेल रेप्यूटेड फ्रेट फॉरवर्डिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन कराची नीड्स import/export sales executive. Interested candidates may send their CVs on hr.masslogistics@gmail.com. Qualification at least intermediate. A leading minerals processing company is looking for international sales manager who will be responsible for developing sales in Asia, Middle East and the international market with at least 5 years of overseas sales experience of mechanized product, industrial grade talc powder. Must be well spoken in English and possesses excellent knowledge of chemicals, paints, polymers, paper and rubber industry. Must willing to travel abroad for commercial development and sales. Age limit 50 years. The ideal candidate should preferably have a university degree in applied chemistry. The ideal candidates can send their CVs at umarassociates2016@gmail.com. umarassociates2016@gmail.com. Job description: sales executive required for industrial equipment and machinery, sales like injection molding machines, pad blow extrusion, blow PVC, PE, PPRC extrusions, lines, auxiliaries, etc. Education: graduation. Location: Karachi. Experience: 2 to 3 years sales experience. Description: candidate should possess excellent personal selling and presentation skills and will be required to meet the senior management of corporate sectors for existing and new potential business opportunities. A team player who will be looking after new client development, achieve corporate sales, timely sales recoveries from corporate client, expansion of corporate business. Interested candidates can share their CVs on the below given WhatsApp. Company offers excellent working environment and career growth opportunity with excellent fringe benefits. WhatsApp only. 034666766565, 034666766565. Educational institute at Clifton needs sales representative for outdoor matric/intermediate girls and boys, age 18 to 25 only. Good communication Urdu and English only. Send CV avoid calling please. 0332 2564588, 0332 2564588. Join a renowned multinational company in Karachi. We are hiring for marketing and sales professionals. Requirements: qualified and experienced individuals, male/female, relevant experience in marketing, attractive pay packages, dynamic work environment, opportunities for growth and development. Drop your CV at akma.info @akmaintl.com, www.akmaintl.com. 021-343-0656527, 343-0656527 and 0343231448, 0343231448. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो.